Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Behind the Clutter. In today's video we are going to make this vacuum cleaner, and for that we need the following components. First of all, we need a plastic bottle, and here I am using this old 2-liter soda bottle. Then you need an empty aluminum spray can, and then you need a 12-volt DC motor, and here I am using this RS555 DC motor. And finally you need a PVC pipe that matches the diameter of your bottle. So let us start by cutting a 7 cm section out from the PVC pipe. After that, take the plastic bottle and cut it into 3 parts like you see in this video. And here we only need this top and the bottom portion. Cut the bottle in such a way that the PVC will act as a connector sandwiched between top and bottom ends of the bottle. Now take the spray can and cut it open to get this flat aluminum sheet. And in case if you already have an aluminum sheet with you, you can directly use that. You don't have to do like this. Now place the bottom section of the bottle on top of the aluminum sheet and draw a circle in dimension of the bottle and cut that portion out. But make sure you cut a slightly smaller circle than the actual diameter so that it can fit smoothly inside the bottle. So in order to make the fan blades, locate and mark the center point and divide the circle into 8 segments. Now cut through each segments in order to make the blades, and tilt each blade slightly towards the right. Now make a hole at the center in order to fix our motor shaft. And I have slightly increased the blade length to add a bit more inclination to the fan blades. Now we have to make 3 holes at the bottom end of the bottle in order to fix our motor inside. After that, solder the positive and negative wires at the motor terminals in such a way that the motor should spin in counterclockwise direction on supplying power. In that case only, it can generate a suction force in front of the propeller. Now let us fix the blade to the motor shaft using M-Seal and keep it aside to dry for at least 10 to 12 hours. And make sure that the blades are aligned perpendicular to the motor shaft. Meanwhile it dries, let's complete rest of the vacuum cleaner. Next part that we have to make is the dust filter. So let's insert the bottom end inside the connector and mark the place where we need to fix the dust filter. And in order to make the dust filter, first take a metal wire and bend it in shape of the PVC like you see in this video. After getting the required dimension, you can glue the ends together using super glue and some strings. And in order to cover the center portion, I am using this cotton bandage. And adding 2 or 3 layers over the top will make it a good filter that allows easy flow of air. Now let us glue the bandage with our frame using super glue. And finally we will end up with something like this. Now insert the filter into our PVC connector and it will have a very tight fit inside due to the addition of cotton layer. So it's been around 18 hours and the M-Seal is fully dried. So now let's fix the motor inside the base section. So first insert the wires through the holes that we made at the beginning. And stick the motor at the base of the bottle using M-Seal without disturbing the functioning of the motor in any way. So the motor is aligned properly. Now keep it to dry for another 12 to 14 hours. Meanwhile, let's complete the front end of our vacuum cleaner. And for that I am using this wash basin hose. So first let us heat and squeeze one end of the hose so that it can fit into edges and narrow areas. After that, cut the hose in half lengthways and fix that end onto the bottleneck. And I am using this double-sided tape to make it airtight. So now our motor is firmly fixed with the bottle. So let's make a stand for our vacuum cleaner. make this stand, cut a 4.5-inch PVC pipe into two halves and glue those pieces onto the vacuum cleaner like you see in this video. And this is what we have done so far, and before proceeding any further, let us paint it black. Now we have to make some holes at the bottom portion of the bottle in order to push the air outside while it's running. Now let us power it on and see if the motor is running smoothly. So now we can glue this bottom half to the PVC using hot glue. Next thing that we need to make for this vacuum cleaner is the handlebar with a switch to power it on and off. And for that, here I am using this T-joint, elbow and 1-inch PVC pipe. Join those pieces together to form a handle. Now place the handle over the top and make a hole at the top to draw the wires from the motor to the handle like you see in the video. After that, make a hole at the center of the handle in order to fix the switch and paint it black. Now fix the handle and the switch just like you see in the video. Now let us connect these wires to a 5.5mm DC power jack so that we can directly plug it to a 12V power adapter and use it. And let's use this bottle cap to fix our socket to the handle. So solder the respective positive and negative wires onto the socket and glue the cap to the handle. Now let us fix the handle on the body using hot glue. So finally our vacuum cleaner is ready, and so let's test it and see how it performs. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already for watching more videos like this. So see you with another one next week. Till then, bye bye.